How to enable the on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. Whether you're using a touchscreen device or simply need an alternative input method, the on-screen keyboard can be very useful. So let's get started. First, click on the Start menu, and then select Settings. In the Settings window, click on Accessibility from the left-hand panel. Now, scroll down to the Interaction section and click on Keyboard. Next, find the on-screen keyboard option and turn on the toggle. As you can see, the on-screen keyboard is now enabled. There's also another quick way to open it using a keyboard shortcut. Simply press Windows plus Control plus O on your keyboard. And that's how you can enable and use the on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, share it, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more useful Windows tips.